Want to feel your best this weekend? These 5 simple wellness habits could change your life forever. Today, we're sharing 5 powerful wellness habits that will completely transform your weekend routine. If you're ready to feel energized, focused, and refreshed, you're in the right place. Make sure to stick around until the end because habit number 5 is a surprising trick that most people overlook, but it only takes 5 minutes. Habit 1. Morning stretch and hydrate. The best way to kickstart your weekend wellness routine? A simple morning stretch combined with hydration. Start your day with 5 minutes of stretching. Not only does it wake up your muscles, but it boosts your energy and metabolism. Hydrate right after to jumpstart your digestion and skin health. Habit 2. Nature walk or outdoor time. If you've been feeling overwhelmed by the week, spending just 20 minutes in nature can help reduce stress by 60%. Scientific studies show that exposure to nature helps reduce cortisol levels and improves mood. Whether it's a walk in the park or simply sitting in your garden, make outdoor time a priority. Do you know why spending time in nature is so effective? The answer might surprise you. Habit 3. Digital detox for a few hours. When was the last time you truly unplugged? Here's why a digital detox can completely refresh your mind this weekend. Set aside a few hours each weekend to step away from your screens. Studies show that a digital detox can help increase focus, improve sleep quality, and reduce feelings of anxiety. The average person spends more than 3 hours a day on their phone. What could you accomplish with that extra time? Habit 4. Healthy meal prep. Meal prepping is one of the easiest ways to take control of your health over the weekend and set yourself up for success during the week. Spend an hour on Saturday or Sunday prepping a healthy meal or two that you can enjoy over the weekend or throughout the week. Whether it's a colorful salad, a protein-packed smoothie, or nutritious snacks, meal prep helps you stick to your wellness goals. What's the best part about meal prepping? It not only saves you time but also makes sticking to a healthy diet effortless. Habit 5. Mindfulness or meditation. Want to completely reset your mind and body in just 5 minutes? Try mindfulness or meditation. Practice mindfulness or meditation for at least 5 minutes this weekend. Not only does it help you de-stress, but it increases your self-awareness and focus, making you feel more present. What's one simple mindfulness trick that takes less than 30 seconds? It's called box breathing, a 4-step breathing technique that instantly calms your nervous system. Which of these 5 habits will you try this weekend? Let us know in the comments below. If you found these wellness tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on how to live a vibrant, healthy life. And be sure to check out our next video for more ways to optimize your health and wellness journey.